and sweetened condensed milk.
Well, not really. So first you want to take your Cool Whip in an 8-ounce and pour the whole thing in.
Don't you want to finish your intro?
Well, hey guys, welcome to the Bully Snip Queen Squad. Press the notification button, ding bell, and a like button. Get this video to 79 subscribers. And if you don't know me, welcome to the Bully Snip Queen Squad.
So we're gonna she dumping the rest of the Cool Whip in the bowl, excuse me.
And then you wanna take your condensed milk and pour the whole thing in.
Yeah, we already did it,
around.
but they have a little. I get it. Let me get a spoon. I don't want you to cut yourself.
I won't.
Let's get a spoon. So you just take it. I'm gonna just get the little bit in there, and that's about it. Go ahead and mix.
Where's the packet?
We already threw it away. Go ahead and mix.
Oh, man.
We did pink lemonade, Koolaide. Yeah. This is Koolaide
you
pie.
put those ingredients in.
Yes, it looks. You know, you can do any flavor.
And we're doing orange. Just kidding. And you mix it all together.
Yes, mix it good.
And make sure it has a pretty color.
Mix it good.
And don't forget to pour in your packet.
Yeah, we already did that already. So we're gonna put this stuff up. So go ahead, keep mixing it. We're using pink lemonade, so
that's really good.
It is coming out like a light pink.
Yeah.
We're gonna try all different flavors. It's a fun and it's inexpensive too.
Oh my!
Let me get to
next time we could do a Kool-Aid pie and do 3 Kool-Aid flavors in the pie. Wait for that light. Coming up.
Pink lemonade. Really light. Kind of hard to mix, so you might need to help your kids mixing it because it's real thick. That's why you get the sweetened condensed milk. Because the sweetened condensed milk, no, BB, no. But you could taste a little bit of it from the spoon if you want. So we're gonna mix it up.
That's good.
In my mixing bowl, I'm helping her mix it. And you just mix it until everything blends in well. Excuse me. So this is the bowl. Let's see. And we hope everybody is staying safe. And we had wore these pretty masks today. I had a doctor's appointment today, and my daughter stayed in the car with my mother. And you can put the spoon up, put it in the sink. So
let me mix it.
She's gonna mix it up. So this is something fun for you to do with your kids, and you know, inexpensive. You only need 4 ingredients. No, you don't need to put no more of that. So this is the 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk. You use the whole can.
So this looks really good. So now I'm going to pour it in the crust.
Yes, wait. So let's get it started. It's coming out. Let me mix it up one more time. Go rinse your hands off because it's kind of sticky. I'm gonna rinse mine off too. Go ahead. Go rinse them off right quick. So your hands won't be sticky. You could have did it in the kitchen, believe you. So my hands is kind of sticky. I don't think it's gonna. It's like a light pink. You can't really see the color. The purple is really pretty.
Oh,
so
and I forgot.
So you can now.
For the video that we're gonna come out with, sorry, it's gonna also be on my channel. I'm gonna do a video on how to stick like acrylic nails. Make acrylic nails on me. Well, not really acrylic nails. It's just fake nails that I'm gonna try to last on me for about 3 weeks or maybe 2 or 1. And I'm going to be using fake nails by Kiss. So wait for that.
Okay, now she's gonna take the.
It's so hard. Can you hold the bowl and I scoop
put
it out?
And put it in the graham
that's
cracker
a little
crust.
Easier.
If you need to cough, just turn your head, okay? Because her allergies kind of acting up. So go ahead. You might need me to do it. Don't press it too hard. Let me, BB. Sorry, guys. I panicked. Yeah. The crust, she pressed on it too hard and the bottom of the crust cracked. But that's okay.
I didn't really press on it hard. It's just that it was really sticky, so it went up and panicked.
You kind of did. The spoon went down hard. It kind of cracked. But that's okay. We're going to make it work.
How are we going to make it? And this might be hard to get out and it might spill.
I kind of panicked, so sorry, guys. I'm not trying to be controlling with this is her channel, but I kind of panicked. And if y'all guys don't know, this is my profession besides doing hair. I'm a baker. So we got a lot of special treats in the making. I kind of pinned my hair to the side because I don't like working in the kitchen with my hair. So we're going to do the rest. And shout out to Chilling with Walt, which is B-Love brother and his beautiful fiance Cindy. They the ones that started it off, that I first found out about Kool-Aide pie, but it's been out for a while though. But we really love it. I made one for my stepfather and he loves it. So we trying to get, you're just going to smooth it out. Smooth it out. And I'm going to let her do that. Just be gentle, Belicia.
Sorry for cutting off. And make sure the Kool-Aide pie doesn't be a little bumpy. Make sure it be smooth.
So just smooth it out the best you can. We're not worrying about that part, BB, because it's going to firm up in the refrigerator. And you're going to keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And it be good to go for 2 hours. Got it? I got it. Go ahead. If they can't see you, that's okay. Go ahead. Smooth it out. We'll just show up. You just lift it up when you finish. They see what you're doing. Because we don't want to let the phone fall. Go ahead. Okay, that's kind of hard.
I think that's enough.
Okay. We hope the bottom be okay. I think when it firms up, it's going to be fine.
Did you use some of that bottom?
No, you can lick the bowl. She likes to lick the bowl.
Yay.
So this is how it looks. This is pink lemonade. So I'm going to take this top.
Because earlier I put my finger there.
And I'm going to wipe it. Another dessert we're going to do for her channel is, I posted it on Facebook. The apple is called the cream cheese apple ring or dessert. You take crescent rolls and you take apple pie filling, or you could cook your apples yourself. But I'm doing apple pie filling. I know how to do mostly everything from scratch. But to make it quick and fun for Belicia, I bought apple pie filling. And you're going to take cream cheese and you're going to build this ring with the crescent rolls. It's going to be filled with apples. You can also do a taco one too. So we're going to have that coming up this week on her channel.
Please say something real quick.
Yes.
And we're going to come out with a video on how to cook some delicious, juicy wings. Oh, and we're going to also come out soon on how to make our own desired Popeye's chicken sandwich. And I know, try the chicken sandwich because it's so good and the bread is shiny. So, like, really get it. Because you're going to see limited gold bread.
Yesterday we had Papa John's, and when we came from the doctor, the Popeyes line was so long. I might do Uber Eats. You can't really comment on her channel because YouTube has strict rules now. But you could comment on when I post this video on Facebook under Ernell Spriggs. Comment how you feel about Uber Eats or DoorDash. I tried Uber Eats for the first time and it was a good experience, but I don't know. This was before the virus came about. And I really want to try it again and get Popeyes.
And we have to try the Wendy's
No, that's
donut.
no. That's KFC.
We have to try the KFC donut chicken sandwich.
Yes. She keeps saying Wendy's, but it's KFC, and she never. Well, she had KFC. That was a while ago because I mostly cook, so we don't really eat out that much. I might treat us to something once in a maybe once or twice a month.
I think I had Wendy's about like one time.
No, you had it more than one time, but we mostly go to McDonald's because we stay up the road from McDonald's.
Yeah, we right by McDonald's. We can go to McDonald's, walk to McDonald's.
No, we ain't walking. You can't walk. It's not right on the corner. It's right off the service road.
Like, you could walk if you want to, but we ain't gonna walk.
No, you can't. Not us.
Drive.
It's kind of that's a nice walk. I know. When I used to catch the bus to hair school and stuff, I know that walk. So, and trust me, you don't want to do that. So this is pink lemonade. I'm gonna wipe it, clean it off. It's kind of messy a little bit, but when it firms up for 2 hours, it's gonna be beautiful. You can also do the mini pies. I think I mentioned that in the other video. I'm trying to fix this lid. Let me fix it a little bit better. You could get the mini graham cracker crust stuff, shells, and try the mini ones too. Do it for parties when we are able to have parties. And I don't know what we're going to do when her birthday comes in December, because I always give a big party. Because we, I don't know, we might do a virtual painting party where everybody be at home. You don't have to worry about nobody coming to your house, and you do a virtual paint party on Zoom. I have this, she take painting classes. This wonderful instructor, she gives painting parties. Try her out. She's giving free virtual painting lessons for kids on Tuesdays for $3. Until they go back to school. I shared the link, the post, one of her posts on my page on Facebook, Ernell Spriggs, because Belicia is an inspiring artist. That's what she wants to be when she grows up, and I'm going to invest in her career and make sure she goes to the best art institutes, and just invest in her career because she's really good at it. She's really good. She's very talented. And New Orleans is good for artists, especially in the French quarters, and they're really good. She can make a good career and she wants to also have a art museum.
Yeah. And the art museum, basically, I want to have gold and silver nails, and then have a movie in it, and then where people, and then they'll serve snacks like juice, Welch's, cold drinks, and stuff.
You want to show your pie? How you got stuff on your jumper?
Well, yeah. I knew I had to put my apron on.
So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I'm going to do it.
I knew I had to put my apron on. I was going to put my apron on, but you said, no, it's not even messy.
No, because you was licking the bowl. But it's not messy. You don't, next time you wear your apron, just wipe it off a little bit with a little water. Come here, baby. Stop it. Okay. You're a messy eater. So she has stuff on her jumper.
Yeah, because you got something here.
Let me see.
On my pretty jewels.
Oh, girl. So we're going to let the pie firm up for two hours, and we're going to do a second part on how it tastes and see how it tastes, and we're going to do another dessert with the apple cream cheese ring. You use crescent rolls, I think, for the recipe. So we're going to do that. I forgot to get the caramel. I don't know if I still have caramel. No, I don't have no more caramel sauce. So put it down, pumpkin. So we're gonna do that with you guys, and that's about it. We're gonna do a part 2, and I always let her have the bowl when I'm finished, and after this I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna wash it.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
And we're about to end this video. And bye, guys. Peace.
We love you. Bye. Peace out.